Hi, it's Dr. C, and today we will be going over how to calculate a mean and how to calculate a standard deviation. So we're given this prompt here, and before we do anything, I strongly advise that you write out the relevant formulas for how to calculate all of these items that they're asking you for. So we have the formula for mean, we have the formula for variance, and we have the formula for standard deviation. Okay? So in problem A, they said to develop a point estimate of mean for the population. So what we did was we put all of the numbers together. We did not put them in order. You can do that if you would like to for this instance, but we put all the numbers together. So according to the sample mean formula, we are to sum all of our scores and then divide it by the number in our sample size. Based on the prompt, we know that we have 12 as our sample size. So when we add them all up, we get 816 over 12. We then get 68. And then we then write out the point estimate of mean fan rating for the population is 68. They did say to round to 2 decimal points, so you can do that. For problem B, similar thing. So we have the mean. Now, to work out to get to the standard deviation, it does take a series of steps. For one, we lined up all of our scores again, and you are supposed to pretty much take each score from the mean. So we did 58 minus 68, which gave us negative 10, 61 minus 68, which gave us negative 7, so on and so forth, okay? From there, you are to square each of your answers that you got. So when we got negative 10, when we squared it, we got 100. When we did negative 7, we got 49, so on and so forth, okay? You then will be adding all of those scores that you got when you squared your answer, and we got 3,620. We're not done though. So now we're going to plug in that number for the sample variance formula. Okay, when we do that, we have 3,620 divided by 12 minus 1. Because it's a sample, we are always going to take the sample size minus 1. So that gives us 3,620 divided by 11, which gives us about 329.09. Okay. So again, we're not done. The relationship between variance and standard deviation is standard deviation is the square root of whatever we have for the variance. So in this instance, all we had to do was square root our answer. And when we do that, that gives us about 18.1409. So when we put everything together, the point estimate of the standard deviation for the population of NFL games is 18.1409. Okay, hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.